guys, welcome to our channel. We're making Christmas ornaments. And we went to Dollar Tree and got a few things. We got a couple of these.
We got some fake snow. We got some little
pom-poms. We have bows.
We have some 2 little bows right here.
I'm going to be putting a picture in mine. This picture.
I'm good.
Sorry, Rob. That was before your time.
Where's the glitter? Oh, right here. Oh, and we also have some glitter that we could also use.
The teeny specks of glitter just for you. Alright, let's pop these off.
Okay, let's pop these off. In 3, 2, we're going to take the cap off. And then we're going to pour in everything we're going to need to put it. Whoa. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got all.
Okay. Robin's so funny. He looks like he's like hiding behind you, kind of. Alright. So let's take off the tops. Robin,
Okay.
You cannot play with these.
Let's
I
take
gave you
off
this, Mama.
the tops first. Take off the top.
Whoop, whoop. This is not safe.
We took off the top. Now that we got the top all off, we're gonna put them aside. And then now we got the top off, we are going to pour some stuff in this little container so it could be easier to pour in our glitter stuff. It probably won't fit into the hole because the hole is probably too small. And so we are going to do best as we can to get it in really neat. So we doesn't mess.
No! Robin, don't do that. Oh my god, we're so lucky. I mean, some is spilling, but
I'm gonna pop this one.
this baby girl. Oh my
Look,
god,
I already have one in my container.
How?
I picked one up.
Alright, let's see. Does that funnel actually fit in the thing or no? It does it. Maybe, let me see if we like, ooh, let me see if we probably.
They're pulling out.
I know, but Robin, give me this. Okay. I feel like there's a chance we could do it if like I hold it. I know you want to be included.
Guys,
I'm
I'm
trying to think
so
if I had a smaller funnel than that, or was it a bigger one? You know what we can do? If we had like a piece of paper, we can roll it like a cone.
Okay, so I got the white snow globes that I'm gonna really try to be really careful with.
There's no way you're pouring that in. I think you're gonna have to use like your little fingers and like pinch them and keep. Well, now that she's occupied, Blair, don't you even start putting them in your ball.
Okay.
Oh my god. I'm gonna try to find a way to fit this in here. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh my god.
Maybe if I rolled it like this.
Cool. Oh my god, this is so cool.
Oh, I did it, but it's like not up.
Oh my god. Robin's putting.
This is the worst. We were so not prepared for this.
Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. This is so crazy. Let me look down. Oh my god. It looks like there's little dropping snow.
Alright, how are you doing getting some of those balls in your thing?
Kind of good.
I was like hoping to get at least half of the ornament filled with the little fake snow, but I don't even think that's gonna happen. It's just putting it in like that with your fingers is going everywhere. It's falling all over our table. Make this table look so crazy.
This table looks so like, it looks like little snow.
You have one now? And I have one.
Okay.
We fold it and we put these inside. And let's see how it works. I don't think mine's gonna work that great, but
I think mine is gonna work.
Recording?
yeah.
Okay, so guys, I am super scared about this. It's working. This is really cool. Look how much I got in mine.
Oh, you did that.
Let me give me some.
Mine's just rolled over and then everything I just put in came out.
That's because I'm holding both of mine.
I I can't do this. This is not easy. Like, okay. Oh.
Blair, what are you doing?
Robin already chewed up on your ornament.
Oh, really? Is that mine right there?
Oh, see? You see? Look. I don't know.
Okay,
I think if you have to do, you're probably gonna have to do one at a time.
Okay, so let's do one at a time.
You gotta do one at a time. You hold it and she pours it in.
Okay.
So we should have been working as a team.
Yeah, we should have.
Let's see, maybe if I cut this thin. I think that was good. Let's see. Mama got this.
You got it?
Like, I'm just hoping for the best. I'm actually just gonna keep doing this and then filling up the bag. Alright, I think you got enough in this. You just don't. Oh my god, hold that, Blair. Hold it. Hold it. Don't let it fall over. We got some serious vacuuming to do. Alright, and now hold this. I think you can move along and add some other stuff.
Yeah.
Here, we have some mini pom-poms in the top.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab some.
Some bees.
Oh, I got some red ones in.
Ooh, I just threw them all over the table. I hear Robin back. Alright, so my picture is not holding up so well.
You want?
My picture. You know, I think I'm gonna start over.
My ornament is going together. Like, look at it.
Oh, yours is cute. And I'm like non-existent. Yeah, I'm not gonna get to take this out. Maybe I can like find a way to hold it in place. Oh, look, I can use this. Ha. I think now somebody's in a good mood. That.
Guys, this is crazy.
Over it.
This didn't work out so well.
This didn't. I'm just gonna finish my little bolita.
Two big balls in.
Somewhere. My picture's gonna be lost.
You what?
My picture.
Oh.
I put a picture in there of us.
Weren't you trying to get it out before?
No, like I want it to be like at
showing.
least showing. Maybe I should have somehow like stuck it.
Yeah.
There we go. I think.
Could you put my top down? My top on? This is crazy. This is just like crazy.
Oh,
Okay, I got another one.
this is Daddy's.
Oh my god. Since I have nothing in there, I'm just gonna drop.
Yours is really cute, Blair.
Thanks.
I don't know. I feel like mine might need.
Some Christmas balls.
No more balls. No more for me. I think that's good. Maybe I do need a little bit more. Do you need some? Do
No,
you want to use this?
I'm gonna shake mine up so I could get the glitter kind of showing at the bottom because it was like at the bottom. I think I don't have that much glitter than I thought I did inside of mine.
Oh, the blue?
Yeah, the
No.
blue glitter.
You only have like a few. One little Ziploc bag.
Hey, Mom, I was using that.
I'm sorry. I really needed some.
Could you move?
Yes, I'm moving it. I'm doing this. I'm done.
Oh
And
my
now,
God.
out with this departments. Let's see. Let's hold it up so they can see.
Okay.
Oh, let's see.
Let me try.
Okay.
Oh, look, I'm doing it.
Yeah.
Oh my
Ooh.
god. This
You
is
want to add maybe some of these really huge ones that were at the bottom? Alright, let's start dumping trash off the table.
I'm pouring a lot in.
Oh,
I'm
wow.
done.
Yeah,
I'm done.
you're done. Let me help Daddy out and pour some more in his, since this is the last one that we have.
Don't pour a lot. Are you gonna fill his all the way to the top?
Or you want more?
No. Oh wait.
Yours is actually filled
Yeah, I
more
know.
than anyone else's.
think that's good. Oh my god, that feels so satisfying.
Okay, I think the rest I'm actually gonna put in mine. So let's just tap this for now, so that way when Daddy comes back, he can go ahead and add what he wants to his. And I think I'm gonna add the rest of this to mine.
I just put a really huge ball into mine. Oh my god, look at this one that I'm about to put in.
Actually, I should have put a bunch of those in mine, and maybe it would have kept my picture up.
Yeah. Oh my god. This is gonna be, like, one of mine is gonna be like, look at Dad's. Guys, look at Daddy's. Daddy's like filled. And look at mine. I'm still working on mine. Mom, could you hold this while I pour it in?
Isn't this so cool?
Yeah, that's awesome. That's really cool.
What more? Oh, you're gonna have to do that, Mama. You gotta do it on the side.
I think that's all. Yeah, that's all.
Alright, she put some little blue specks in hers. Oh, and this got covered. Maybe you could close it and take it up.
Okay.
Is that what you...
How do I close it?
You have to, you see both those silver pieces sticking out? They have to go inside. You have to pinch them together and put it on your metal bowl.
Hey guys, what we made, like little snowboard boulders, I think they came out perfect.
Let's make it snow. The weather outside is weather.
Okay guys, we have reached to the end of our video. So make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.